Did you know that after age 60, your body starts to lose muscle fast? It's called sarcopenia, and it affects strength, balance, and independence. But here's the good news. You can fight back, and it starts with the right food. Today, we're revealing 6 powerful foods that help rebuild muscle after 60, naturally and effectively. Let's get started. 1. Eggs, the perfect protein. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, especially leucine and amino acid essential for muscle repair. Tip: eat whole eggs for complete nutrition. Add them to your breakfast or post-workout snack. 2. Salmon, omega-3 South plus muscle growth. Wild-caught salmon, ingest heart healthy. It helps increase muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Bonus: the omega-3 South also reduce inflammation, which supports recovery after exercise. 3. Greek yogurt, calcium and casein combo. Rich in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt is a powerhouse for muscle maintenance and gut health. Choose full-fat or low-fat versions with no added sugar for best results. 4. Beans and lentils, plant-based power. Don't underestimate plant protein. Beans and lentils provide protein, fiber, and iron, great for energy and strength. Pro tip: combine with rice or quinoa for a complete amino acid profile. 5. Cottage cheese, slow digesting muscle support. Loaded with casein protein, cottage cheese provides a steady release of amino acids, perfect for overnight recovery. Try it before bed to support overnight muscle repair. 6. Whey protein, quick and easy boost. If eating big meals is tough, whey protein shakes are an easy way to get muscle-building nutrients fast. Tip: look for whey isolate with low sugar, great after walking, strength training, or even gardening. If you're over 60, trying to stay strong and independent, don't just rely on exercise. Fuel your body right. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more senior health tips. Bonus tip: stay active. Remember, protein plus movement equals results. Even simple exercises like walking, stretching, or resistance bands can activate your muscles. You don't have to accept muscle loss as part of aging. With the right foods, a little movement, and daily habits, you can stay strong, active, and independent well into your golden years. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.